In today's video, I'll be showing you how to crochet a ruffled scrunchie. Alright, to start you want to make a slip knot. Insert your hook and then chain 1. Insert a single crochet all throughout the hair tie. As you insert single crochets all around the hair tie, you want to make sure that it is not getting twisted, or else you're going to have problems at the end when you have to join them together. Once you get to the end, you're going to slip stitch into the first single crochet. Chain 2 and insert 3 double crochets into the first single crochet. So yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and pull through the last 2 loops. Insert 3 double crochets into each stitch. Once you get to the end, you want to locate where you made your chain 2 and insert your hook and make a slip stitch. Chain 2 and insert 3 double crochets into the same stitch the way you did in the previous row. Once you get to the end, you're going to slip stitch into the first stitch and chain 1. Insert single crochets all around. Once you get to the end, you're going to slip stitch into the first stitch. Chain 1 and cut off your yarn. Weave in the ends and you're done. That's it for today's video. Please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and happy crocheting.